Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your profit trailer. First things first, you should back up your profit trailer. So how you back up your profit trailer, basically you right click and you send to compress. Let's name this 1131.2018. Alright, so that's backed up, and next you're gonna go download it. So release, go here, download, you go and you just change the jar file, so that's a jar file, replace, close that out, and you're gonna run profit trailer. Give it a minute. Looks good. Yeah, we're good. We get the heartbeats, so we're good to go. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace.